All right, welcome to 1853 Huntsman Lane here in Westchester, PA, and take this in. So right out of the gate, as we fly up, you will notice the massive backyard. So we are situated on 1.7 acres, and while we're speaking of that, in the back right, where you'll see some of those trees, it's actually another building. So spoiler alert, being sold completely as is, but there is some potential there if somebody is looking. So we'll add some shots and make sure you know what's back there. Just jumping back in, the house is 5 bedrooms, or I should say has 5 bedrooms, and on the main level it has 2 half baths, and upstairs it has 3 full baths. So just a sprawling house, and the basement is completely unfinished, but certainly finishable. You do have a walkout, and all the mechanicals are, situated in the corner or, against the walls, and that's how it should be. So really meticulously built, and that's kudos to the builder. So as we fly around here, just to remind everyone, Longwood Gardens is in the back there, and this is situated within Unionville School District. So for those of you that know, great school district. For those of you that don't, definitely research it. Has been tops in the States or very close to it for quite some time. And that is the breakdown. So we're going to fly around a little bit more and then show you just one more drone shot from above. And then what we like to do is get you started on the boots on the ground tour. So we'll start in the driveway. We will actually go around the entire perimeter of the house, and then we will go inside the house. So we're really trying to be as thorough as possible with this. And then there's more drone footage at the end. So without further ado, here we go.
All right, welcome to the driveway of 1853 Huntsman here in Westchester. And just wanted to take you down here. So we'll try to make this one a little quicker. But this is a beautiful house in a serene neighborhood, not far from Longwood. And 2 minutes ago, I just saw 3 deer right here. So very, very cool. We'll hit the highlights as we go through. So take that in. That's a shot right there. 3-car garage that goes right into a mudroom area / laundry room, and then into the kitchen. And there's a powder room there. But look at this styling. Fantastic. So we'll get right to it. We're gonna take you all the way around. So there is an entrance right there that will take you into that laundry room / mudroom area with the powder room. Look at the front. Beautiful. And spin around too. I know I walked down that driveway. Look at this front yard. Perfect time of the year for me. I love the fall. But that's very nice. And then we'll take you back around and show you this. Beautiful. And then without further ado, check out this backyard. So there are some level areas down there, but definitely rolling right here. And bonus, in the back there is a building, 100% as is. But it's a real building with a 2-car garage, and who knows, maybe someday someone could live there, but as of right now, 100% as is. So you can see the 2 newer carrier units. We'll get you everything in the disclosure, of course, but back up and look at this architecture. Beautiful. So a little space under there. Now that is a screened-in porch and a deck area, and a walkout basement, and these are all the basement windows here. So really, really special. And let me just spin you around slowly. Taking that verdant field. And there you go. So right ahead there, we'll add some to it. That is where that building is. So we won't take you back through there now. Just wanted you to get an idea of the size and how massive this yard is. And there you go. So, and just from the structure standpoint, there's the garage. Above it is really the 5th bedroom, or another primary bedroom. You might want to say these days. And there you go. So here is the 3-car garage. So plenty of space in there, and the blacktop driveway. So take that. As always, I take a lot of stuff in. Look at that field. Absolutely stunning. So that is the exterior. Does appear to be a newer roof. We'll get you everything on the disclosure, of course, but they're 3D architectural shingles. And There it is. So nice walkway up here. We'll go in the front door. You'll see we'll be greeted by the stairwell going up. And there's a powder room there. And you'll see. Don't want to spoil it, but I did have to mention that building in the back, because being an investor myself, that is something that, you know, always intrigues me. So there you go. You can see the front. Welcome to your new home. So dining room over there. You can see a lot of elbow room here. And then hardwood floors throughout. See the fireplace? That is a wood burning fireplace. Tuck you back in this corner here so you can, you know, get to appreciate the size. We do have crown molding. And I'll just let you take it in. Because it is big. Hopefully it comes across large on here. But that's a good sized piano, and there's plenty of room all the way around. All right. Family room area, I would say. Yet another fireplace. Place to sit right there on that massive windowsill. Beautiful backyard there. Look at that. So upstairs, tons of room. Just give you a sneak peek. So deck, and then that screened-in porch is a really nice touch. So here's the kitchen. Sprawling, to say the least. Just gonna do this slowly so you can see every angle. I'm gonna tuck you back into the dining room just so you can appreciate the size and the flow. Crown molding in here as well, a lot of extra woodwork. And slowly, just get a sense of how big this is before you actually come here. So, really like this nook here, especially with the added sink. Always a nice feature. The beverage, and I believe that's a trash compactor. Sinker area, yeah, I believe. Yeah, it is. So, I don't want to leave any stone unturned. Definitely want you to appreciate a sense of what this is before you come out here. And there is that backyard again. And by the way, Longwood Gardens right over there. So when they did their fireworks, or they'll do them again, you can actually see them from your back deck. Or you want to avoid the bugs, check them out from your very own screened-in porch. Keep talking about this house so much, I'm going to buy it myself. But there is serenity here. And if that's what you're looking for, it's got it. So, all right, we'll take you back in. Remember, you can also leave from that family room, and the sliding door's right there. Right back into the kitchen. And we'll stick on one level, show you everything in the 3-car garage. Actually, we'll spin you around. See the stove, the ovens, the fridge, which is updated. Dishwasher is also updated. We'll just back you out here. So plenty of space. Tile floor continues. We have storage here, smaller pantry, spin around. That's that entrance from the front. If you want to do that, laundry room. And right away, you have a powder room. And by the way, speaking of powder room, there's one as soon as you walk in the front door. So, closet space, cook closet, and garage. 3-car garage. Hear my echo. Lots of space here. So 2 windows for the natural light. And there you are. So you'll get it from this vantage point. I'll take you up those stairs. One more time around the kitchen. Giant island, by the way. And if you so choose, that is hanging over at least a foot. So plenty of room to put some stools in there. All right. We'll go this way. Remember, the powder room's coming up here, and it is on your right. Look at that. There you are, powder room. And large coat closet when you come in on the right here. Again, to leave no stone unturned. Let's walk up this beautiful staircase. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe this was built by DeMario. I do remember. But I'll get you all those facts. Everything we know will be in the disclosure. And this was tenant occupied previously. They recently moved out and they did quite a job cleaning. It's beautiful up here. So poke down, you can see that family room, and we'll take you around here to the left ever so slowly. And this is what I would say is the true primary bedroom. So hardwood floors continue, 4 big windows in here, higher ceilings, and then, what a bathroom. So jetted soaking tub, semi-private toilet, right there. Views of that backyard, double sink, and closet. Pretty cool nook. So we'll show you these closets quickly so you can appreciate them. And this is not small. And it goes all the way up, high ceilings. You want to add some shelves there, go to town. And your linen closet. So that completes the primary bedroom. And we'll head on down here. Remember, lots of elbow room in this house. Beautiful shot right there too. Take you around the hardwoods. So there's a closet right there. Here is a hall bath. So also again, a lot of room, double sink. You can see the toilet. We look out the backyard here. And there's a skylight. I'll actually spin you around so you can appreciate that. Skylight. I think the other bathroom has one too. That I'm gonna show you. So remember, we saw 1 bedroom already. Here's bedroom 2. Very good size. Head down the hallway to bedroom 3. Probably slightly larger than the last, but all good size. This is bedroom 4. I believe the tenants were using this as an office. Definitely a bedroom. There's a closet right there. Tuck you back here and back you out slowly. So that could even be turned into a closet. And here is the additional primary bedroom. So I'll take you all the way down because it is a hike to get to the other side. Notice the woodwork, the dormers, the massive closet. And then of course, it has its own bathroom. So I'll spin you around here. There you are. Yet another soaking tub that's jetted. Keep it down low. Look at that. And there is a skylight. So toilet's over there. Have a nice little nook here with a linen closet. Good amount of space. And a good shower. As far as the height and everything. Remember the double sinks? There you are. So the only thing I left out at this point is the basement. So let's venture down. Make sure you see everything that we might have missed from a different vantage point. Here we go. Head on down. And then we'll just go right to the right because the staircase for the basement's around here. It is an unfinished basement, but it is massive. It's a true walkout, ground level, and sky's the limit for what you want to do with this. So you do get a fair amount of daylight down here when it is bright. Block construction, sprawling. So you can see this and appreciate this. The well equipment there, the water, that is softener, panel, one of the HVACs, high enough ceilings here, or I should say higher ceilings. I'll get you the dimensions on that. We will be doing a Matterport 3D tour of this as well, so you can measure within that. I mean, this itself is a room, if you wanted to section it off. You can see the construction. This is right under that deck. And that takes you right out to the backyard. All right, water heater right there. And really nothing's in the middle here as far as, you know, any of the mechanicals. It's all either tucked back or around. So here's something that is fairly new. I apologize for the darkness. We'll spin around. But that is a basement with true potential. Really is. So up we go. Bring you back to where we started. Try to make this one not too long, but good luck. It's a beautiful, large house. So there we are. I believe we covered every angle possible. Let's head back outside. And of course, in the beginning of this video and the end, we're always gonna add additional drone footage. So, that's what you see walking out your front door. Beautiful skies now. And beautiful house. So there you go. We'll get that in frame for you. so you can just see how big it is with that stone. And we will take to the skies.